Hi guys, in this lesson we are going to talk about static methods. These are methods inside a class that can be used without needing to instantiate an object. So let's get started. First of all, let's create a class string manipulator. Column, new line, at static method. By using this decorator, we are declaring that the method following it can be used without creating an instance of the class. Now let's declare the method def reverse underscore string parentheses s. And as you can see, we don't need to use the self parameter for a static method. New line, return s, square brackets, column, -1. Let's create another method, at static method, def count underscore vowels, parentheses, s, column, new line, vowels, equal, all the vowels, new line, return, sum, parentheses, 1 for char in s if char in vowels. New line, at static method, def remove underscore symbols, parentheses, s, column, new line, return, quotation marks, dot, join, parentheses, char for char in s if char dot is all num, parentheses, or char dot is space, parentheses, new line. And now we don't need to instantiate an object to use this method, so let's create a string to test. String equal quotation marks hello world. Let's put some symbols and numbers. New line, print, parentheses, string manipulator dot reverse string, parentheses, string. New line, print, parentheses, string manipulator dot count vowels, parentheses, string. New line, print, parentheses, string manipulator dot removed symbols, parentheses, string. And let's run it. As you can see, it works. So you are not really forced to use the at static method decorator, but it's a good practice when the method doesn't need to access or modify the instance, the self. In this way, it clearly signals how the method should be used. Now let's recap. We learned what a static method is, and we saw how to declare it using the at static method decorator. For this lesson it's enough. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson.